It's Friday, and it's 5:30 in the morning. It still looks like it's nighttime. And we're off. Ready to go. All packed up and ready to leave. Made it through security, and I think we're gonna get some snacks before our first flight. Only in Europe do they have a Jägermeister triangle in the airport. Badoro! They switched the gate on us, so we had to move. But I think we're about to board soon. I slept most of that plane ride, and now we're off to the second ride. What the hell is that? Okay, so our next flight is like in 2.5 hours, so we're probably gonna just hang out and waste time. Going through security. Badoro. That guy has like a mohawk mullet rat tail thing. So now we're in the right section and we're just waiting to board the plane. It's over here. We are just about to board the second plane, and we're on our way back to Toronto. Front of the plane! Our flight has been delayed by about half an hour, so I'm gonna sleep. About half an hour late, but we're finally getting going. Look at this view. So we still have 6 hours left on the flight, and pretty much everyone is either sleeping or drinking a lot of coffee. But I'm working on editing for the last couple days videos, the vlogs, because I haven't put any up in like 3 days, so I'm working on them. They're really fun, but they take a lot of time. We are just about to land, probably the next half hour or so. And we're back. 8 hours and 35 minutes on the plane. And then an earlier plane where it was 45 minutes. It's been an entire day of traveling. And the crazy thing is, in Spanish time, we left Barcelona at 1 p.m. and it was almost an 8 hour and 30-minute flight. And we got to Toronto in Toronto time at 4 p.m. So it's kind of like time travel. Just waiting for our luggage to come in the carousel. Any minute now. Happiness includes importance. We are back in Newcastle.
Newcastle.
Hola.
Grocery store go. ¿Dónde los huevos?
¿O es zumo de araña, por favor?
Zumo.
Ya, por favor.
¿Qué? No hablas inglés. 20 hours of traveling and we're back home in Newcastle. Woke up at 5 a.m. Mallorcan time and it's 7:15 now and the time difference is 6 hours, so it's like 1:15. So we've been up for like 21 hours just traveling. And I think we're gonna get pizza and then call it a night. Back in my own bed.